Today we are looking at the Oralloy Smart Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Let's face it, the daily chore of scooping out your cat's litter box is not fun. So why not eliminate the hassle of constantly cleaning up after your feline friend? With its large capacity and infrared safety sensors, this smart self-cleaning litter box helps keep your home cleaner and more odor-free. This could be the perfect litter box solution, particularly for households with multiple cats. So let's see what this self-cleaning litter box has to offer. The Oralloy self-cleaning litter box is simple to assemble. No tools are required. Just attach the 4 feet to the bottom by lining them up, push forward, and they are installed. Also, note that the 4 feet have soft, non-skid pads that help keep the litter box in place and protect the floor. Wrap the included box liner bags inside the collection bin, then slide the collection bin into the bottom using the grooves. Then, remove the back cover plate and push the aromatherapy box in. Be sure to remove the protective film first. Then place the drum into the bottom base. You can add litter through the large opening at the top of the drum or through the front opening, whichever is easier. Be sure to add the correct amount of litter to the litter box mat. There are clearly marked lines on the mat for the minimum and maximum amounts. Then put the top cover over it. The top cover sits on top for easy removal for litter access and cleaning. So many of you might want to know exactly how this thing works. Well, first, it's not battery operated, so you have to plug it into a 110-volt outlet. The cord is approximately 6 feet long, so you will have to place the box within that range. Just add the litter and do not exceed the maximum amount indicated by the line on the mat. As the drum turns, the litter falls into the pocket area, while the screen sorts the larger solid material, which then falls into the collection bin at the bottom. It's a conveniently simple process that works great. You might want to consider lighter-made litter as long as it clumps. I used a heavier clumping brand, Fresh Step, and I noticed the motor seemed a little strained while turning. But you could also adjust the amount of litter you place in the mat to make it lighter. The manufacturer recommends that the cat litter weight not exceed 11 pounds and that the litter diameter not exceed approximately 1/16 of an inch. But, best of all, it's app-controlled via Tuya Smart, which you can download from Google Play or the App Store, so you can keep an eye on the litter box from anywhere, keeping it clean and fresh and helping keep your home odor-free. But note that the app and the litter box will connect via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. Once you install the app, you can clean and clear, view the cat's weight, use manual mode, set sleep mode, choose the cat litter type, and more. Cleaning is a breeze. It's simple to unassemble, remove the top and remove the drum, and you can easily clean everything, including the screen. Additionally, be sure to check the surrounding areas for any litter that might have fallen into unwanted areas. Okay, with all of that out of the way, my primary concern was that the litter box would become something the cats were more scared of and would not use at all. Such problems as turning on while in use or too soon afterwards. But the advanced infrared detection will pause all functions when the cat approaches or enters the box, using its weight detection sensor. This will prevent anything that would eventually scare them away, and that creates more cat litter problems than this box is meant to eliminate. However, it does take some time for your cats to adjust to it. I found mine by watching it, looking into it, just checking it out. The few times I manually turned it on while they were close by, it was fun to watch them run back and forth, trying to figure it out. So I would recommend placing it near their normal litter box area for a few days to give them time to adjust and hopefully use it. Additionally, this litter box operates quietly, under 35 decibels, allowing even the most skittish cats to adjust and eventually use it in no time at all. This is a pretty accurate representation of the noise it makes while in use. So, all in all, I was very hesitant in the past to try one of these self-cleaning litter boxes. But fortunately, now I can say, why did I wait so long to give it a try? For me, and most likely for many others, it's a game changer for cat owners looking to simplify their cat care routine and create a cleaner, fresher, and more hygienic home for both you and your cat. However, it's worth noting that the initial investment may be higher compared to traditional litter boxes. Yet, given the time you save and the cleaner, odor-free home you create, this is a worthwhile expense for many homeowners. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.